Master time.
No. Ah. Perfect. Yeah. That's second.
I got second, okay.
Nothing alike. Just nothing. Incredible. Incredible.
Just target them. Target them.
I'm going for
Make sure they
Pierre.
die. Specifically Pierre.
Nice.
Thank you. This is good.
No,
Now, can my AI be smart and take the orange here?
Nice, you already won.
Thank you. And I'm 1 to go.
Ow.
If I just can get a green here, this is awesome. But knowing Pierre, he's also going to be 1 to go. Of course, I just read it. I just saw this coming. It came to me in my dreams. Just like that one Michigan center that said Israel came into her dreams. Bro, how did I get third there? How did I just let them overtake me like that? I hate this.
Funny.
Great, Pierre. Oh my god, Matt, I hate you. Matt, I hate you. Matt, I hate you. Pierre just won. I've never won a single round of this, by the way. We've done 10 whole sets and I've not won one. Okay. Get second. Yay, I got second.
Nice.
Yay.
Nice.
Happy.
Happy fun land. Clear? Yeah, sure. Get rid of that row. Nice.
Oh yeah, I got last. That's great. I'm not even surprised anymore. Like, I just never win the dice rolls. I've, like, literally never won one of them. It's Board Game Island, and I've had how many of them in freaking Swap Meet alone.
Also, Pierre's winning.
Yeah, Pierre won. Awesome. I love Pierre. I love Pierre so much. Okay, I'm also 1 to go, but it's platinum, so it sucks. Holy shit! Please win this! Please! Just spam threes. Yeah! No! Pierre, I hate you! Great.
You got a 1.
Okay, I can go up 1 step, thanks. Oh, Pierre, let's go up 3.
Pierre.
Top Matt! Pierre's gonna get second. Okay, well... Got third, maybe?
I absolutely need this.
Are you serious? I didn't realize you needed it.
I needed it. Like, there was
Fuck
no
you,
way I wasn't
bro.
gonna take it.
Could have won that right there, but instead, some slimy little kid had to steal my platinum from me.
Anyway, trying to lose.
Trying to lose reference, except that this time I'm not trying to lose. It's literally just me versus the world. Like 2-pack. And you won. Great. Oh. Running. I'm running. I'm cornered. Get out of my way. Okay. I got third, which is not good. Okay. Nice.
Actually, I'm just gonna
Why are you following me?
I'm gonna follow Pierre. How about that?
Yeah, follow Pierre.
I'm following Pierre.
Great. Yes!
Matt is not done.
Let me stick with the two of you. But why am I trying to be the different one? I am not the leader. I am not the shepherd. Yeah,
clearly.
I'm the fucking idiot. That's what I am. Great. Awesome. I can't get anything here. Oh. Yay.
God damn it. Pierre just cleared himself into a 1 to go. That's such bullshit.
What is this fucking luck, Pierre? Make sure Pierre doesn't win. That's the name of the game.
Thing. It doesn't matter. Like, even if he gets first or second, he gets a wild and a purple, and he needs purple. That's what's on the board right now.
Oh, Matt, please. Matt, please. Do I get any points? I don't think I get any points here, which is just great. Why can't I win one of these? Oh my god. Can I win at least one set? Like, is that so much to ask for?
I don't think I got many smiles, I'm not gonna lie. I think that was a pretty shit picture.
That's good. But of course, I'm getting third.
You just got last.
No,
Congratulations.
I'm getting last. So that's cool. Holy shit! I won the dice roll!
Guys.
Guys, I won the dice roll! Oh my god!
Against the luckiest Luca all time, no less.
I finally won a dice roll, and it was against Pierre of all people. Gamble. Yay! Fuck you, Pierre. Pierre hate clan. This is so good for me. If I can just get a good position here, I could be a 1 to go. Oh my god! Are you serious, me? I picked Pierre's cup!
You really do love Pierre.
I picked the right cup!
Apparently we all think it's
Yes,
that one.
yes. I think it's that one. Yes! Yay! I finally won a minigame! I don't think I've ever won a minigame, genuinely. And now you get to finally feel my pain of losing a dice roll. Isn't this so fun when you lose every single dice roll? Murder Pierre. Blue, 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 blue. No, it's spotlight fight. No, 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 no. Fuck shit, no. Fuck shit, no. Oh.
Is that what you mean? If Pierre steals your blue...
Pierre. Gamble. I'm going... Oh! Course! I hate you, Pierre! My god! I'm done. There was 2 blues and I didn't get any of the... No, it's over. It's over. It's over. Great. Can I not suck? Nope, I suck. I got last. And I'm not gonna win. So Pierre's just gonna steal my blue. Because of course he is, because he's a fucking dickhead. And I never get anything, so clear me. Fucking jump off a bridge, bro. I can't.
Ooh, the behind the back.
I was 1 to go this entire fucking game. And now, because Pierre is the biggest dickwad of all time and stole all of my blues, he's going to win. Thank God, nobody won. Okay, well, I still have a chance. I did that monologue for nothing. But there's a green, so you can win. Great! Oh my god, it's back attack. I love back attack!
I'm dead.
I killed Pierre! Oh my god! My god! What are you doing?
No,
he won. He won.
Oh my god. Top 10 worst Wii party game modes. Number 1, this one.
Top 1. There's not even a top 10. Please, 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 please. Okay, I won, but you got second. That's good. I'm 1 to go. Holy shit. Matt, don't get a trade. Is it better if I kill myself? Great, I get last overall pick because my Mii's a dumbass. So I'm just going to implode immediately. Gonna last shorter than, Weeb in bed. What did I say?
I mean, we do know a guy.
I lasted shorter than Weeb in bed.
I mean, that's assuming he ever gets there.
That's a good point. Red or blue? Green? That's not horrible. Green? I like green. I like green. Hold on. Okay, so I got last. Great. I got last. Finally! Holy shit! I just have to hope Matt's gamble doesn't win here. Yes! Okay, so I take a green and I'm 1 away, and I can get a shit ton of points here if I get a green. Oh my god. Holy shit. This is insane. I have a genuine chance of actually, winning this. Because I'm assuming that if I get all the same color, it's a shit ton of points. Jeez, I can't gamble for first. Fuck, bro. Oh my god, I'm just gonna get third now. This is just great.
Well, I'm the dead last.
So everybody loses because I'm gonna get third here. Of fucking course. I get 2 in a row and I'm straight back to losing. Please, green. I just need a green. That's all I ask for in life, a green. Wild, holy shit, holy shit, holy fucking shit! Come on, please, 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 come on, dude. Yes, 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 dude, yes, dude, yes, dude. What? Are you serious? I'm gonna lose because of a dice roll?
No, you're not.
Yes! Yes! Come on! Come on, baby! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! There's no way. There's no way. How many points is this? 12.
That's not enough. It's not enough.
There's no way.
It's not enough.
I won on a dice roll!
No, you didn't.
Wait, what?
Fuck this game.